Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Nissan Qashqai. So any screen, click the nav button like so. It's saying there new address, click the new address, and we want postcode. It's already got our postcode in, but I'm going to do it again. So the postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR, and then we need to go to numbers. So up there, the 1, 2, 3 ABC, that swaps it. PR5 4, it's got defaulted back to letters, JS, and then postcode PR5 4JS. That's it. Belt and braces, got to click OK.
Follow the road for 3/4 of a mile.
That's it. That's how you do it. One thing I did notice when I got in this car, the display was very, very dark, and it's not because I had my sunglasses on, although that could have been a contributing factor. But up here you see the sun and the moon. Now if you click that knocks it into night mode, but if you click back and you see there, if I turn that, when you've got it on that screen, you can lighten or darken the display. That's how you do that.